Kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abaka goikirania ogochika ko mona chebina asogoikirana bosio bwekegambero kya Nyamira kobwatakana nengana yorobebe ase kaunti ya Kisii na boigo kaunti ya Nyamira ase ensemo ya keroka okwana chinga kya soka kurwa ase kegambero na usanga nabamenyi be kaunti ya Nyamira Arati ngabaka gokwanira igoro yobuya bwokwagachwa kwe university ase kaunti ya Nyamira na otebane nchira ya moyo gokinya serikali ya kaunti yo ya Nyamira na otebabuna nigo barachie Gosenigo barachie ko bwatia enganeyo na koine kyabuna umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto wabereka gosagati eriyo Koradabune University yaberege utoka se county ya Nyamira senchira ya moyo gokinya ebirenko byekisemi kinga kyecho Arati nigaba kwegerera ubutenenirwe kyama kya UDM ikikora wa umurai we kyame kyo Raila Odinga oyo bwateganga yo cyakoriye kirogo kyobonyakirogo ase obomu bwekinse kya Africa AU askiri atebo nanigo bagocha kurwana kigima soko ine kyabuna kiamekyo ugose kyabereke gotinga mono ase orogonko rwausi asenchira ya moyo ko ene kyabuna babeire ase omustari omutwe eriyo gusikia ense ya Kenya busio
amangana university ntotagete na Nyamira nere kine university kewo chagaiga Nyamira yakorere ntuke kine ige campus ntotagete tosukume toro tubole mheshimiwa president tore asugume tonyole university gaiga mo wancha boyo abantu amintu ntete bengo kora inche buno mwana chama vice chairman ya ODM nkomeki tole shua twarosie kiama baba ngogenda AU lakini totete kakogenda atotigere na ntuo kobokonga mo wancha boyo igo we are determined to make sure the country moves forward. Despite all other difficulties, we'll make sure our counties, especially Kisii and Nyamira, we are at the forefront. Again, also we are equal to the task to make sure as a country we have leaders from here in Kisii and Gusii land to be at the helm of leadership of this country. We had one of our own, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. I know he'll come at the right time. We will be with him. We have other leaders who will join the race for 2027. And we are determined to make sure the leadership of this country, one day, one time, the leadership of Kisii.